have questions about certificates of insurance? Well, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Sari from Kickstand Insurance, and in this video, we're going to discuss everything you want to know about certificates of insurance. So what is a certificate of insurance? Quite literally, a certificate is an official form called an Acord 25. It's generally a one-page document that provides important information about your insurance policy for your business. So why would you need a workers' comp certificate of insurance? And when would you need the certificate? Telling someone that you have a workers' comp policy and therefore coverage is not enough. You'll actually have to prove it to them by showing them official proof of your policy, hence the certificate of insurance. So who would you have to prove it to? When you want to start a new contract, or form a new business relationship, or maybe even you're providing services for a government entity, they're going to want proof that your workers are covered while working for them. Because if one of your employees suffers an injury on someone else's job site or location, they don't want to be responsible for the worker's injury. They want to make sure that you're covered and hence the workers are also covered. So there won't be any issues with them being responsible. Another thing to keep in mind is if you have a workers' comp policy and a certificate of insurance, it can help you win new business. When you submit an offer to a potential client or customer, include your certificate of insurance. This will show them that you are insured, proactive, and have all your stuff in order. Other companies might not be doing this and it will make you stand out from the stack of bids. It can also help you start the job earlier since they have your certificate of insurance already and all your paperwork is in order. Okay, so now you're convinced that you need your certificate of insurance. So how exactly do you get it? Who do you get it from? If you have an active policy, reach out to your agent and they'll reach out to the carrier who insures you and get your certificate. If you have an active policy with Kickstand Insurance, reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help. If you need a certificate and you don't have active coverage yet, you'll need to get a policy first. So how long does it take to get your certificate of insurance after you request it? That's going to depend on the agent and the insurance company. Everyone is different. If your policy is with us here at Kickstand Insurance, we know time is usually of the essence. And when you request your certificate, you usually needed it yesterday. So we do our best to rush it. That's why we do our best to get them to you as quickly as we can. For new policies, most certificates are issued 1 day or 24 hours after the policy is bound. If you need it sooner, please let us know and we'll make that high priority. So now that you have your certificate, where do you keep it? Generally, if you have a copy of it in your email, that should be enough. However, sometimes you might want to have a physical hard copy of it. If an inspector will show up to one of your job sites, you don't want to be left scrambling trying to find your certificate. If you can't produce it, he might give you a stop order or worse. That would be really bad. So make sure you keep a copy of your certificate handy for easy reference. You might be wondering, how much does it cost to request a certificate of insurance? The good news is that if you have a policy, it's free. How nice is that? Since you're already paying the insurance premiums, it's a service that's included since it's just proving that your policy is active. Figuring out all this workers' comp insurance stuff can sometimes be complicated. That's where we at Kickstand Insurance come in. We're here to hold your hand and guide you through the process. So if you need a certificate of insurance or a workers' comp policy, head to kickstandinsurance.com and get started with our simple 5-page quote. Good luck! Remember to like and subscribe for more business and insurance tips.